ईवीओ कनेक्ट बिजनेस नेटवर्किंग क्लब का 2 मिनट मेडिटेशन के साथ मीटिंग की शुरुआत की गई। कार्यक्रम का संचालन गुरविंदर सिंह ने किया। आइए देखें विशेष रिपोर्ट हमारे साथ।
Warm welcome from EVO Connect, Sujata. Thank you for making it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anji. Happy birthday to you.
बर्थडे बॉय साल की पहली मीटिंग ये लोग बोल रहे मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी
आप इसको ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं।
So, in the year 2025 is starting a new year, first month of the year. So all of us should take a pledge and resolution that this year we are really going to grow our business. We are going to really grow our wealth, and we work together in a very, very positive mindset and create new records. So are you guys ready for that? Yes. All right. So all of us are EVO, and we are here for networking. And I will not explain why we are here. We are here obviously to grow our business. In EduSlot, I'm going to take Mahabharata of networking. Just know Mahabharata, it's a great epic. I'm not going to share. Hundreds and thousands of negative emotions come. So we as member need to be always positive while we interact with us, and everybody has positive and negative. So as members, we should work on the positive of the member and ignore the negative and not waste our time in gossiping and talking about the negative. Will that help?
Yes, very nice.
So we should always look at positive of the other member and work with positive side of the member, because that will help both the member and us to grow together. So never you negative. It's easy to talk about negative, but very difficult to talk about positive. But all of us are professionals, so let us not be cowardly of Mahabharata. All right? Okay.
आज ईवीओ कनेक्ट में आप आए हैं, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I just started by saying so many business people in Calcutta. सब बोलता है कलकत्ता में कुछ नहीं होता है. इतना लोग है जो भी है, all business owners है, small, medium, big, all are business owners. So and EVO Connect, founded by Jaiswal, Laksh Jaiswal, is doing great job connecting people. People are getting business from each other. So ऐसा बोलता है कि if we help each other, if we keep on shouldering each other, give shoulders to each other, we'll have a good society, and that's happening over here. So last year also I was invited. I came and shared my experiences, shared my thoughts, shared my words, and this year too. And the people get so inspired, comes to me when they say that they have been touched. That's what I want from life. Touching human lives, and EVO Connect is a great platform. It's a networking platform, and I want to network, and touching lives makes my life a wholesome happy, gives me a wholesome happiness.
और अपनी यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की बोलবেন?
ইয়াং এন্টারপ্রেনার্সকে বলবো, দেখো ব্যবসা কিন্তু ওই ওভারনাইট হবে না, সাফল্য কিন্তু সাকসেস কিন্তু ওভারনাইট হবে না. ইট টেকস আ লং টাইম টু এস্টাবলিশ এ বিজনেস. আর ব্যবসা করতে গেলে যদি সবাই ভাবে যে এই ব্যবসাটা ও সাকসেসফুল, আমিও সাকসেসফুল, দ্যাট মে নট হ্যাপেন. সো ইটস 99.99% দ্যাট ইউ আর গোয়িং টু ফেল অ্যাট সাম পয়েন্ট অফ টাইম অর দি আদার. আমি সাকসেসকে ডিফাইন করি নট অ্যাজ কতটা তুমি ওপরে উঠলে, বাট কতবার তুমি উঠলে তুমি যখন পড়ে গেলে. টুডে আই গেভ দ্য এক্সাম্পল অফ অমিতাভ বচ্চন অ্যান্ড সৌরভ গাঙ্গুলি. সেটা কিন্তু সত্যিই এক্সাম্পল, এবং তা ব্যবসা করতে গেলে ব্যর্থ হবেই. লাইফ ইজ নট এ বোর্ড অফ রোজেস, বেড অফ থর্নস. জীবনের পথ চলার পথ কণ্টকময়, সেই কণ্টক সেই কাঁটা ছাড়িয়ে উঠতে পারলেই হবে. এবং ইয়াং এন্টারপ্রেনার্সদের বলবো, ইউ আর ওয়ান অফ দ্য লাকিয়েস্ট ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালস ইন দ্য হোল ওয়ার্ল্ড, যে এই সময় তোমরা এসছো যেখানে টেকনোলজি ইজ দেয়ার টু এনহ্যান্স ইয়োর এভরিডে লাইফ. টেক help or support from technology, rise to the top, fall down, again rise, fall down, again rise, fall down, again rise. যেটা সবসময় বলি সেটাই তাদের আবার বলবো, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कभी हार नहीं होती, कभी हार नहीं.
आप भी एक बिजनेसमैन है, सीईओ है, तो आपका कितना करोड़ का कंपनी है?
See, I lead Techno India as the director and the CEO of the company. So we are a huge conglomeration. But education conglomeration is run by trust in societies, which is not a profit-making body. But I am not the owner of the company. I manage the company. But yes, I have a company of my own who does real estate valuation and engineering. So there about 100-200 people works. So I keep on increasing it in every quarter. So I have a target every quarter to add on banks. We do valuation for banks and courts. So we keep on adding. Our target is to add one bank every quarter. And ऐसे करते करते तो 20 बैंक हो गया, कैलकाटा हाई कोर्ट हो गया, DRT हो गया, कंज्यूमर अफेयर्स कोर्ट हो गया. And we keep on. It's like stay hungry, stay focused. Hungry है, focused है, and I know that I will make it at the end of the day. There are failures, there are challenges, there are issues happening, there are things which disturbs. But I know that as example I was giving, the bus में चलता है, driver को पता नहीं है उसको, we keep on believing. प्लेन में चढ़ता है, पायलट को पता नहीं है उसको विश्वास करते हैं. वैसे ईश्वर को विश्वास करते हैं, वो हमको ठीक जो जगह में जाना है वो पहुंच देगा, क्योंकि ये बोलता है कि वक्त से पहले नसीब से ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होता. बट यू हैव टू कीप ऑन वर्किंग हार्ड, बिकॉज सक्सेस कंप्राइज ऑफ हार्ड वर्क एंड लक. बट हार्डर यू वर्क, लकियर यू आर. सो काम करते जाए और जो नसीब में है वो तो होगा. एंड आई बिलीव दैट समथिंग व्हाटएवर इज डिस्टाइन्ड फॉर मी इज गोइंग टू हैपन.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सर.
आज ईवीओ को लगभग कई वर्ष होने जा रहे हैं. कितने वर्ष हो गए ईवीओ को?
1.5 साल हुए हैं और आपके साथ भी हमारा मीडिया बंगला न्यूज़ के साथ भी हम लोग जुड़े हुए हैं करीबन 1 साल से. ईवीओ अच्छा ग्रो कर रहा है, करीबन 23 से 25 करोड़ का बिजनेस हो गया है लोगों के बीच में. 120 मेंबर्स है, एक्टिव 50 से 60 के बीच रह रहे हैं. ई कॉमर्स भी हमने लॉन्च किया है, जिसके माध्यम से लोग एक दूसरे का प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट भी कर. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, अच्छा ग्रोथ हो रहा है, लोग बढ़ रहे हैं. और हम लोग अब दिल्ली भी चालू करने वाले हैं. हमारे दिल्ली के भी एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर आज आए हैं. आज हमारा नया हेड टेबल का निर्माण था, तो आज हमारे दिल्ली के भी एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर आए हैं और दिल्ली में भी हमारा शुरुआत हो रहा है. और हमारे चीफ गेस्ट है मिस्टर सुजय विश्वास, प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर सुजय विश्वास जी, जो कि टेक्नो इंडिया ग्रुप और टेक्नो इंडिया यूनिवर्सिटी के CEO हैं. बहुत ही एनर्जेटिक सेशन था आज, लोगों में अलग ही एनर्जी आया, मोटिवेट हुए. बहुत अच्छा है. जनवरी किक स्टार्ट की तरह परफॉर्म कर रहा है और होप सो 2025 वी विल ग्रो वेरी मच.
Good evening. I'm Jitendra Kaur, President of EVO Connect. EVO Connect is a networking organization of business entrepreneurs. There are many different kind of people connecting over here, starting from startups to experienced ones having 30, 35 years, 40 years of experience. Now I welcome all of you to be a part of EVO Connect. Thank you so much. Thank you.
मुझे आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
EVO Connect में मेरा जर्नी अभी तक 7 months ऑलमोस्ट हो गए हैं एंड आई गुड वेरी मच रिस्पॉन्स. मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. इट्स वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म टू इनकरेज पीपल, टू कनेक्ट पीपल एंड टू गेट लाइक अ गुड बॉन्डिंग विद देम. कि आपको यहाँ पे नॉट ओनली आप बिजनेस के लिए आते हो, बट देयर इज अ बॉन्डिंग विद एवरीवन. कि यहाँ पे सब लोग बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, बहुत फेमिलियर है, बहुत अच्छा उनका रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है. और हम काफ़ी दिनों से 1-to-1 कर रहे हैं. वी ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव आवर चैप्टर ऑल्सो, कि हमारे यहाँ पे ज़्यादा करके मीटिंग्स वगैरह प्रोवाइड हो. एंड आई रियली लव के EVO में मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला है तो लास्ट 7 months. तो मैं होप कर रही हूँ कि इन फ्यूचर मैं और भी कुछ इंडक्शन करूँ और ग्रो करूँ विथ माई चैप्टर. लिंक इट. थैंक यू.
Ferns and Petals and Bakery. So she would be hosting the chapter meetings and work as a president. And I invite her to introduce herself.
Yeah, and I thank all of you for re-electing me as a president. I'll try my best with all your help to grow the chapter more and more. But I need, yes, the way Gurvinder ji said, all of you should be first try to be present in the meeting. Your presence is very, very important. Then only people will get to know. Like I met Rajiv ji today, and like he said, "आप क्या category में?" So I was shocked. Because unless and until you come, you don't know others' category. Even you are not able to tell your category. So only posting in the group will not help. So it's my request, and not only request, it should be your this thing to come here and get business and give business. Thank you so much. Again for making me president again. Thank you so much.
Happy New Year to everybody. I am to everyone. Happy New Year. I am Bindu Khetan. Hello. I am a business partner of Motilal Oswal Financial Services. We do all kind of things in the financial market. But the main work is equity trading and investing. and people from all fields can join us and grow their capital with our advice. And we are very well known in this field. So I don't have to describe a lot. Markets are very volatile. So you need a guiding hand so that you don't sink into it. Thank you very much.
And very happy new year to all of you. And it goes without saying, and Pudipta Bose and everyone knows Manas Agarwal of Manas Agarwal and Associates. We are GST specialized. If you want 5 easy steps for your GST refund and easy ways to save your tax and all, please feel free to connect with us. Me as well as Manas Agarwal ji, there are many people who have been not complaining but saying that he has not been available over the phone. Please feel free that I will be there to attend to it so that you can connect to him, and our office is at 7 number Mandarin.
So I plan to travel to Europe this year. For that I need money. To get money I need to provide some work to you so that you can provide me the money. And why would you give me the service? Why would I my service be there for you? Is because I'm working since 7 years now. I have completed more than 150 clients and I've designed more than 50 logos. So I'm into branding work, social media marketing, as well as all sorts of designing for advertisements and hoardings, everything. So please do connect with me and help me travel to Europe this year. Thank you so much.
So Evo is the one. Today I'm not talking about myself because I have completed my journey of 1 year in Evo along with the growth of Evo. Now please, the newcomer, the visitor who are here, I would say, please come and join Evo. It's a really good platform for you to grow your business. We are here to grow our business. So please come and see and grow your business. And this is a good place and good positive place for you to come. But this much one.
Poddar ji, please come.
मैं इंश्योरेंस में हूँ, जनरल इंश्योरेंस में मैं सब तरह का इंश्योरेंस करता हूँ. वी डोंट सेल इंश्योरेंस. एक्चुअली हम लोग कंसल्टेशन देते हैं प्रॉपर प्रोडक्ट को लेके. ऐसा नहीं है कि भैया इंश्योरेंस आपको चाहिए तो मुझे भी बेच दिया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. पूरा बस आपसे डिज़ाइन का जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट है आप लोग का उसको आपको डिज़ाइन करके देते हैं. मेरा ऑफिस है 22 स्टैंड रोड के अंदर में, सेकंड फ्लोर पे. दैट्स इट.
Okay. Thank you. Good evening and happy new year to you all. Myself, Shabani Usha Tejaswini Datta. I have my podcast channel in the name of I With Me and You. Delving deep into the insights of the passion-driven people in all professions is my objective that leads to ultimate success. So that is what I dream about in dealing with all kinds of people like you and a wonderful platform like EVO. Thank you so much.
My name is Saurabh Paul.
Hello, Saurabh.
I am here for the first time, and I am a photographer and cinematographer by profession. And my company name is Obi Paul Photography, and we have a one-stop solution for all kind of photography needs. Please feel free to connect with me. Thank you.
Happy New Year. I am Gautam Datta. I deal with a machine of medical aspect. Our body is consisting of various organs, and according to quantum physics, these organs functions on vibration. Whenever this body becomes effective, that is due to irregular functioning of this vibration. That can be rectified by the use of this machine, and this requires analysis. So whoever love your body, love yourself, contact me for this therapy. Thank you.
यहाँ है सब एक दूसरे का साथ दीजिए, काम दीजिए, काम लीजिए, सब करके सबको आगे बढ़िए, खुद ही. Thank you.
Good evening all. Good evening. Happy New Year to all of you, and I am Rinki Khan.
Hello, Rinki.
Hi, Rinki.
Please.
Hi.
Energy, please, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
Yeah, come on.
Good evening.
Yeah, that's it.
IT software consultant and founder director of BabyCorp. We basically deals in a 2 type of software. One is CRM and one is HRMS. Actually, I did 7121 this month, and I got 5 references from Manamji, and given one weapon to Darshita and one is Vivek ji. Thank you.
Fantastic. See, this is
Hi, I'm Anthura Banerjee. From Brandlink Marcom High. I do branding and corporate communication, and recently I've started a new venture in premium sarees. So I wish I will get a lot of referrals from you, and I hope that I will be able to help you with your business. Thank you.
Please, go ahead.
Good evening, happy new year to everybody. I am carrying 280 doctors in my pocket, and the lady told me to go to Europe. I'll take you to Europe free of cost. You come and join with me with this business of technology. I can take you to South Korea and Australia, Vienna this year.
This year.
Yes. Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I'm Amir Das Mahapatra, Director of Extensis Global Private Limited. नया साल, नई सोच, नए सपने, नए इरादे। AI के जरिए हम आपके लिए लाए हैं नए वादे। बिजनेस एंड AI के मिलन है अनोखा। हर बिजनेस को दे रहे हैं नए सफर के मौका। हमारे साथ बढ़िए आपकी मंजिल के ओर। AI एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ मार्केट में मचाए शोर। AI के ऊपर बिजनेस करना है।
Happy New Year to everybody. Unlock your child global future. We provide personalized study abroad guidance to help you achieve your dreams. From institute mapping to visa approval, we are with you every step of the way. This is Dipal Nath, study abroad counselor. Please do connect for free counseling with me. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Veena Agarwal, representing
ladies and gentlemen, please energy. Please welcome her.
Hi, thank you. Representing my designers boutique for women's fashion wear for last 26 years. Our range starts from 500 and goes up to lakhs as we cater to daily wear, office, party, wedding collection. I'm grateful for everything in my life, for the new year, for the new day we have, and my Evo family. My ask is B2B, and I cherish each life in front of me. My give is Dr. Bholanath Chakravarti, one of the best homeopaths in Calcutta.
Thank you.
Happy New Year. Myself Vivek Shukla. Hello. So my company name is Sri Swastik Enterprises. बहुत जन के साथ में काम हो गया है और मैं ट्राई भी कर रहा हूँ बहुत जन को कुछ ना कुछ देने का काम। तो डेस्कटॉप चाहिए मैं हूँ, लैपटॉप चाहिए मैं हूँ, प्रिंटर चाहिए मैं हूँ, CCTV का काम करवाना है मैं हूँ, रिपेयर सर्विस कराना है उसके लिए भी मैं हूँ, IT के रिफरेंस के लिए भी मैं हूँ। सो प्लीज़, और संक्रांति के बाद एक ऑफर लाया हूँ मैं कि अभी 31 जनवरी मैं कोई भी सर्विस चार्ज नहीं लूँगा। हमारी कंपनी से जो भी जाएंगे सर्विस चार्ज इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, और लक्ष्य भी है उनके लिए भी आज है, आज उनका काम हुआ है, दैट इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट।
I'm Subhrajit Mukherjee. I'm representing Maitri Interior. We are doing the interiors for commercial projects mainly. My current project is Godrej Blue and Westmont. Thank you.
Thank you. She is very concerned.
Good evening.
Happy New Year to all of you.
Happy New Year.
Today this is the first time I'm very much relaxed because I was here. Now I'm a backbencher. I want to be really a meritorious student. My name is Moushumi Paul, representing my company Career Guidance Academy. Here we nurture everyone's strength and we just help everyone to understand what are the basic minimum areas that you need to cover. You don't need to create lot of magic in your life. One magic will create lot of happiness at your career. For that, do connect with me. I will help you.
Energy, guys.
Sport Private Limited. My company is 50-year-old company since 1971, and I'm a third generation entrepreneur into it. We provide all sort of commercial vehicles like lorry, truck, trailer, container as per requirement of clients, and we have tab and branches in around 25 major cities of India. My gift for the day is Astha Polymer, is a thermocol manufacturer company, and my ask is Logistic Department of CESC, Calcutta Electric Supply Corporation. Shining off with a super code on the back of a truck. थारा और मारा में बस इतना सो फर्क है कि थारा सपना में होरी आवा, हमारा सपना में लॉरी। One represent business area worth 12,000 and one thank you to Nikhil Bajaj for 40,000. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Again, there's no energy.
I myself, Preeti M. Dhanuka. I'm representing my company Born to Shine. It seemed impossible even as a certified coach. I had my fears, I had my doubts. I stopped midway through my writing. I stopped midway through my publishing. But I found my ways out to deal with my fears and my excuses. And when it happened, the author in me was born, just like we are born parents when our first child is born. So I'm holding few of my babies in hand, and this would not have been possible if I would not have overcome my fears and doubts. Now I help busy professionals like you all here deal with the same that I have been through sometime and write your very first book, because your story deserves a place. So, if you want your desires to fulfill, connect with me. Thank you.
Everybody, Happy New Year. Myself Raji, I am from Technolife Solutions. We do customized software development. So it is everybody's need and everybody's essential thing. So please do connect with me. So if you have any references or if you have any requirement, so please do connect. Thank you very much.
मेरी टीम में 200 लोग मिलियनर बन चुके हैं बिना एक पैसा लगाए. कोई पार्ट टाइम करा, कोई फुल टाइम. अगर आपको मिलियन रुपीस कमाने हैं पार्ट टाइम में बिना पैसे लगाए, just contact Sanjay Bagaria. I will surely.
Thank you.
Myself Dimple Shah.
Hi Dimple. Hi Dimple.
I am into jewelry. I deal in lab-grown as well as natural. Always invest in gold and expensive diamonds, because 1 lakh of diamonds important 2000 is same 2000, but if 1 lakh invested in gold is 8 lakhs today. So इतना return gold में आता है. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi Uttam ji.
Hi.
Hi Uttam.
First
Ladies
of all-
and gentlemen, please, where's the energy? Yeah, thank you.
First of all, I would like to wish the new team all the best, and I hope they will do the very good work. And I wish everyone here excellent 2025, and I feel that this year will be very good in terms of everyone's growth, business growth. Let's all start this year with a new energy. And I am into real estate, residential and commercial. If you require any flat, office, land or warehouse, just please feel free to contact me. I'm just a call away. Let's be serious now in inducting at least one member, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm a makeup artist. I believe in breaking the boundaries in 2025. Shampoo. I am a makeup artist. I believe in breaking all the boundaries of makeup in 2025. Giving you amazing makeovers. Please come to me. I'm good. You need me, you know.
Yes. Thank you.
So celebrating 2025, as we celebrate 2025, a new year, we should celebrate the spirit of entrepreneurship. So we should all be proud. All of you should be aware and proud. Feel pride, because as entrepreneurs, you give employment. For your information, SMEs and MSMEs, you are part of that, contribute greatly to the GDP. So we celebrate the spirit of entrepreneurship. So let's go back to our pledge, and as Uttam ji said, let's make this chapter grow, and if the chapter grow, we all grow. So let's go with that pledge. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, EVO.
Good evening.
I am Maya Sharma.
Hi Maya.
Hi everyone. First of all, Happy New Year. And as Govinda ji started with the joy of giving, so I'm always there. I'm always there to help you with your investments and share market training, because I teach people to make magic with your money. But yes, you have to be patient. When market goes down, you have to be patient. There is no other way out. But that also we have many opportunities for you, because if you learn something in a new year, learning is always growing. So if you learn, you'll understand the crux of market. Do come to me. And also, yes, starting of giving, as we say, I have opened a classroom in my office, and that is for all my EVO members. Any training, any workshops, anything, any podcast, I'm open for that. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, happy networking. I'm Mala Majumdar.
Please, once again, welcome her, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.
Thank you. My voice has become huskier. I must be sounding very good. Thank you.
Oh, yes.
I'm Mala from Akriti, the interior designer and fabricator of the chapter. We do commercial, residential, everything starting from scratch to finish. I have 32 plus years of experience. I'm sure when you give me your projects, you'll be in good hands. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Still the energy is less.
Hi. I've been restrained by raising my voice.
I know.
I'm not saying anything.
Thank you so much. Well, I am an event curator. Basically, I curate niche events more or less. And I am into corporate, I'm into musical shows, exhibitions, and cater to all kinds of events. What you are thinking, we can curate. So feel free to inquire one-to-one, we can have a meeting, and anytime you can get in touch with me. Thank you so much for details.
Very good evening, Evo family. I am Nikunj.
Hi, Nikunj.
And I am into branded menswear. I deal in branded menswear. My shop name is Pavitra, which is located in Midtown. So anybody wants a branded menswear in less than half price, like minimum 50% and up to 80%, please connect with me. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm Linda Kaur. Hi again, loudly. New Year again. So I'm in Ferns and Petals. I have my store in Neolipur. I know most of you have already tasted all the cakes and all. So I am having cake, flower, bouquet, plant, whatever you require, cakes are eggless. So in this new year, every time I keep on sharing in group, I start with new designs, new things for the cake. So this time I started with pull-up cupcakes, which looks like cupcake, but it is a cake. And then fire cake, you can burn it and have it. So, वो भी टेस्ट करवाएं क्या? है ना? फायर केक आया है ना? फायर केक भी लाएं। फायर केक आया है। Okay, thank you so much. So I'll pass on to Gurvinder ji.
To all of you, thanks to Laksh, for the founder of Evio Connect, this chapter, for inviting me today. Not only today, last year also I was invited. Thanks to our old Connect, Devjani, right? The secretary, Nikunj Khemka, the vice president, and the president, Jitendra Kaur. No thanks good enough for, again, Laksh. A good round of applause for him. সত্যি কথা বলতে আমি ভিডিওতে প্রথমে এসেছিলাম বেনা এতে গিয়ে আমি তো অবাক হয়ে যাই যে এত ব্যবসায়ী কলকাতায় Everyone says that no business in Bengal, but I find a YouTuber from 56 rupees to 50,000. So Bengal must be doing good. Yeah. It's only we pull ourselves down. This is something that Evio has done. This chapter has grown from strength to strength. I keep on following. I do not comment on it, but I am on the WhatsApp group and keep on following. Today, I have been introduced. Basically, I serve Techno India Group. I'm the registrar of Techno India University and the director and CEO of Techno India Group. I've been Techno India for the last 16 and a half years. That's not a small time. Trust me, it's very difficult to serve a boss. It's directly under the sun for 16 and a half years, and that too when you have a brand image of your own. वो मालिक सोचता है कि पैसा मेरा है, इसका नाम इसका कितना है, ऐसा कितना है. Very difficult to survive in such an atmosphere. You know that because by the grace of the Almighty, I've created a space for myself, which is outside Techno India. So that's very difficult. And in addition to Techno India, I'm also a licensed. Someone said he's from a real estate. Uttam. You are there, na? From real estate. Oh, here's one. So I'm also a income tax licensed chartered engineer and real estate valuer. I'm empaneled with 20 banks of the country, High Court at Calcutta, DRT and Virginia Affairs Court. And 200 to 250 people works with me in my practice. So that's my entrepreneurial part. But both I serve both as an employee in Techno India and as an employee in my own company, BNP Engineering. So that gives me a holistic or 360-degree view of any working. So those are the parts that I earn money. And what do I spend money? I spend money because I follow my passion. For the last 8.5 years or more than that, I conduct a motivational talk show called Joyer Pathe Sange Sujay, where I have interviewed 446 people right at this point of time, which includes the Bandhan Bank chairman, Johor Sarkar, you take any Harsh Neutia, Soumitra Chattopadhyay, Sabitri Chattopadhyay, Shishendu Mukherjee, from different sectors, Father Felix, from education to all. Why? I wanted to create this kind of atmosphere which EBO Connect has done, that there are people in Bengal who are happening people. So I keep on doing motivational talking on all platforms. I also have acted in movies. One of my movies in the screens right now, where I play the role of industrialist. I played the role of a Dean Sir in one of the best popular serials in Bengal called Horkuto, where I played the role of Dean Sir, just the boss of the hero. I played a number of cinemas and I performed music on the stage. I had been always a great performer, but at the same time, last 10 years, I'm taking training in semi-classical music, which makes my music much more soothed to the ears. Now, but today there was a difference. I keep on doing motivational talking in all platforms, around the city, around the state, around the country, and even abroad. But today Lakshmi gave me a very tough job. He said, sir, he's a very humble person. He said, sir, आज मोटिवेशन तो करना, लेकिन थोड़ा entrepreneurial motivation होगा तो अच्छा है. Yes or no? Now, a person coming from academics, if gets a challenging job, goes back to the basics of the grammars. So what I did was that I thought that I should speak my mind, but after I do the work that has been assigned. And there are plenty of stuff all over the places, in books, in videos, everything. You find that. So I have jotted down a few words while I said in last night. So I asked Love that, can I have a podium from where I can, generally I carry my own podium, because I perform music, so my podium is there always, the time where I keep the lyrics. But today I forgot to take that and said, and he said, oh, sir, ho jaye. So I'll read out few lines. It will take hardly 9 minutes. I've found out that it takes 9 minutes or less than that. And then I'll just share with you and talk with you. I want a reciprocation of this. Good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you. A lot of energy. Let us embark on a transformative journey to escalate our business and redefine success. Success, I keep on telling, is not how high we achieve. Success, I keep on defining, is how many times we get back on our feet while we fail. As Ralph Waldo Emerson widely said, do not go where the path may lead, go instead where there is a path and leave a trail. This is the spirit of entrepreneurship, to innovate, to create and lead with boldness. Ask yourself, am I ready to break barriers, dream big and carve a legacy? Success doesn't follow trends. It creates them. हिंदी में बोला जाए तो खुद को कर इतना बुलंद कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदा से पूछे बता तेरा रजा क्या है. Believe in your potential, embrace discipline, work hard than anyone else with consistency, resilience, and the right minded set. Greatness is inevitable. Growth requires action, passion, and education. As William Blake wrote, great things are done when men and mountains meet. Step beyond your comfort zone, break the comfort zone, to explore new technologies, disrupt outdated models, and revolutionize customer experiences. Continuous learning is your key to unlocking your boundless potential. It says that যতদিন বাঁচি ততদিন শিখি. As long as we live, we keep on learning and learning from everybody around. Not only from the teachers, the mentors, but even from our maid servants who serves us, or the drivers, or the security person. In Hindi I say, कदम वही बढ़ता है जो अपनी राह खुद बनाता है. सितारे भी झुकते हैं जो मेहनत से चमकते हैं. Focus not on competition, but on your strengths. One revolutionary idea, one brilliant invention, or even one daring decision can change everything. Align your passion with relentless execution and watch your dreams take a flight. Collaboration and adaptability are pillars of growth. John Donne's words, "No man is an island," reminds us that success thrives on partnership and shared visions. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Nurture strategic alliances and create ecosystems of mutual growth. Embrace the 3 P's of problem, facing problems, that making problems are never permanent, pervasiveness, and don't take it personal. Let challenges fuel your determination to succeed. In Hindi, I quote, "साथ चलने की मजा कुछ और ही होता है, कामयाबी की राह पर आसान होता है." Learn from the past, connect the dots looking backward, and use those lessons as stepping stones to success. Finally, let passion and resilience guide you through life's challenges. As Rudyard Kipling wrote in If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, life will test you, sometimes brutally, but do not lose hope. Every setback is an opportunity to rise stronger. मुश्किलों से डरकर भागना कहीं मुनसिब है, जो लड़ता है वही तो बाजी पलटता है. Do what you believe is great work and never settle for mediocrity. Live each day as if it's your last day of your life, with passion, focus and unending hunger to achieve your dreams. हर दिन को जियो ऐसे जैसे वो तुम्हारी जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन हो. और अपने दिल को सुनो. The world is waiting for your brilliance. Step forward, stay hungry, stay foolish, and make your mark. So that ends the academic part of my lecture.